Did you know some modern cars have exhaust tips that are completely fake? The shiny chrome opening on the bumper is just decoration. The real exhaust pipe is hiding underneath the car. So why would car companies do this? Well, it is not only to be cheap. Real exhaust pipes get hot, dirty, loud, and harder to package cleanly inside modern bumpers. But wanting to still look sporty, they build a fake exhaust shape into the bumper. And this is where it gets bad. You zoom into the exhaust tip, expecting a pipe, and it is just darkness. So the fake tip is not doing exhaust work, it's simply a cover-up for lazy manufacturing. Like the video, if car designers need to explain themselves.